everybody, Wendy Sellers, the HR lady. Guess what? I have some breaking news. I have just been featured in a USA Today article. Yep, this badass right here, featured in a USA Today article. So I am super excited. I'm thrilled to announce that my insights on how to retain employees and find great talent in challenging landscapes has been published in the country's most renowned publication. So, woo, yay, I'm going out to celebrate right now. The piece that I will put in the comments below, it sheds lights on core strategies of employee retention, and the art of acquiring great talent is super, super important. And it all draws on my years and years and years of hands-on experience. So for those who have closely followed my journey as Wendy Sellers, the HR lady, you know that I wear my passion for HR on my sleeve. My commitment has always been to empower businesses to harness the power of their most valuable asset, which is their people. This recognition just feels like a testament to that mission. So thank you for all my supporters. I am incredibly humbled by this milestone and would love for you to take a moment to check out the article, to dive deep into the world of employee retention through management training. Knowledge is power, and when we share, we empower others. You know what else we do? We keep others at our companies instead of sending them to another company. I do again want to thank everyone who has helped me get here. Your relentless support, engagement, and encouragement has just been amazing. Cheers to pushing boundaries, challenging norms, and always striving for excellence. Thanks again, everybody. Wendy Sellers, the HR lady.